This is the bird nest orchid, Neottia nidus-avis. It's a plant that seems to be parasitic on fungi. So it's non-photosynthetic, doesn't have any chlorophyll at all. It doesn't use light. It obtains all its energy from the fungi that it is associated with. It used to be thought it was a symbiotic relationship, in that the fungus derived some benefit from being associated with the orchid. But that no longer seems to be the case. It's often found growing amongst the humus in woodlands, such as particularly beech woodlands. This particular example here came from the Laneshore Woods near Sturton, where it was last recorded something like 50 years ago. They remain beneath the surface for something like 9 years before they actually flower. And they're called bird nest because the jumble of roots at the base of the flower look like a bird's nest. They have no leaves, only just scales.